In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Epic Games account info step by step so you can request your personal data, receive the confirmation email, and securely download the PDF file with your account information. This is useful if you want a copy of your Epic Games data for your records, privacy review, or account management. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games account page. Then sign in with the account you want to download information from. Once you're logged in, look for the account section. This is where Epic keeps your account settings, privacy options, and data tools. After you open the account page, scroll down until you find the option that says Download Account Information. This is the section you need to use to request a copy of your Epic Games data. Click on Download Account Information and then choose the option to request the download. Epic will begin preparing your account data file in the background. Depending on how much information is attached to your account, this may take a little while, so be patient while the request is processed. After you submit the request, keep an eye on your email inbox. Epic Games will send you a confirmation message once your data file is ready. When that email arrives, open it and look for the security code included in the message. This code is important because it verifies that you're the account owner and allows you to access the download securely. Once you have the code, go back to the Epic Games download page and enter the security code exactly as shown in the email. After that, you should be able to download your PDF data file. Save the file to a safe location on your computer or device so you can access it later if needed. And that's it. You've now downloaded your Epic Games account information successfully. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple step-by-step guide.